The southwest monsoon in Karnataka has weakened significantly and dry weather conditions are expected to continue for another week according to the Meteorological Department. Rainfall has reduced sharply across most districts over the last 4 days, raising concerns about a possible drought situation as July reaches its halfway mark. The weather department has stated that there are no chances of heavy rainfall until July 21st due to continued dry conditions. Temperatures are expected to rise, increasing the intensity of heat across the state. Some areas may witness partly cloudy weather along with occasional strong winds. The coastal and Malnad regions, which received good rainfall during the first week of July, have also witnessed a decline in rain activity. Only some scattered areas in these regions may receive light rainfall, while dryland districts are expected to continue experiencing dry weather conditions. The rainfall received at the beginning of July had brought some inflow into major reservoirs. However, with rainfall reducing in recent days, reservoir inflows have declined significantly, creating concerns among farmers dependent on irrigation and urban residents relying on water supplies. Karnataka recorded below normal rainfall in June, and the shortage has continued in July, affecting agricultural activities. According to the Karnataka State Natural Disaster Monitoring Center, weak monsoon conditions are expected to continue with very low chances of rainfall for the next 1 week. With the monsoon remaining weak from the beginning of the rainy season, Karnataka is facing increasing drought concerns due to declining reservoir levels, agricultural challenges, and growing pressure on drinking water resources. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.